Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So I often get asked why I've done the things to my Jeep that I've done. Why did I do, the heavy duty bumpers, the recovery points? Why did I do a lift, winch, and my answer is because we use our Jeep off-roading, right? That's the obvious answer. But I'm often asked, well, how do you use your Jeep off-roading if there's no trails around you? And that's simply not true. We do have trails around us. Not right in my backyard, but I can guarantee you within 45 minutes of us, I have at least one trail that I can go to, if not 2 or 3. And if you want to go even further out than that, like 3-hour drive, there are about 30 trails around us. It's trying to find those trails. That's what you need to do. And today I'm going to show you exactly how we find our trails in Southern Ontario. Keep watching. So like I was saying, guys, there are a bunch of different ways to find out some good trails in the area. And going to the Ontario Federation of Four-Wheel Drive Recreationists website is definitely one way to do it. You can buy a yearly membership. The yearly membership is $50, and it also includes benefits like off-road liability insurance. You can go down here, right, and join. But yeah, there's tons of stuff, including a trail index that you have access to as a member. And I'll show you a little bit about that, but not too much, because you do need to be a member to see these trails. You definitely want to check it out. It's so easy to use. You can go right down here to the trail use index. Okay, you're going to click here, and then you're going to agree to all the different terms and services, right? Okay, so we'll go in here. We agree to all this. Now, this is going to bring you to either a list of trails. Okay, so we'll look right here. And here we go. You can search with all of these search terms, or you can search by trail name if you know the trail name you're looking for. Or you can just browse map. And we're going to browse map here. So, boom. Now look at all those trails right here. And that is in Southern Ontario, Central Ontario. And I live approximately just north of Toronto. But I'll show you just quick. Look at these trails. There's tons. Okay, so when people say there aren't any trails, there are trails. Now we'll get out of that because I'm not going to show you any more details. I want you guys to sign up and become a member. But it lets you search by all these different terms, right? So you've got your different levels. You've got your easy, maintained roads. Then it goes up and up and up until, well, you don't want to be doing this one. But you can if you want. Also lets you search by, trail system, area, region. And if you haven't, check out VMUT's trails. Google it. I haven't used them myself. They're more out toward the Ottawa region area. But they are a whole system of connected trails that you can camp on, free of charge, all that stuff. Really cool. You can also come over here and search, winter trails, because as you know, most trails in Southern Ontario do close between December 1st and May 1st. So as there are some trails that are open, approximately 3 that I know of that are within my area, within, 3.5 hours, a lot of them do close. So like I said, as a new member, by joining, there are a whole bunch of different things. There's a bunch of sponsors. There's a bunch of discounts you can receive just by becoming a member, along with that much desired liability insurance for off-road use. Help protect yourself and your vehicle. So that's pretty much going to be the Ontario Federation of Four-Wheel Drive Recreationists website. I strongly recommend you do sign up, become a member, get your card, and then check out the trail index, because that's really going to tell you everything you want to know. It's going to tell you the condition of the trails. It's going to tell you if they're open or closed. People can put side notes in there telling you, if the trail has had recent damage or been flooded out. Sometimes it'll tell you, depth of water crossings and stuff. So it's really good information to know. Okay, so now moving on, we are going to check out the All Trails website. And that is the main form of kind of off-road mapping that we use, because you can use it offline as well and record your trail. So you're going to want to come over to All Trails and sign up as a member. They do charge you per year. It is not a lot. It's definitely worth it. It gives you access to, again, to maps. It lets you download those maps offline, and you can literally follow yourself on that trail with your GPS. And it's really cool, especially if you don't have any Wi-Fi reception or anything. So for instance, here's Hogs Back Road. It's not going to tell me a whole lot because I'm not logged in, and I'm purposely not logged in. But once you do log in and bring this up, it will tell you a lot more information. It's going to tell you your elevation changes and everything. So you can preview here, and that preview actually allows you to, yeah, see, so again, I'm not logged in, guys, so it's not going to show me. But it literally takes you along that route and shows you elevation changes and every twist and turn. It's definitely something you want to have. You can come down here to reviews. Like you can see here, you can read through the reviews. You can see the user photos of the trail. And they are helpful as well because, you know, they tell you pretty much about the trail conditions when you're heading out. So definitely something you want to check into. It's an awesome app to have. It's similar, I think, to like Onyx, but I haven't had luck in our region with Onyx, so I haven't really used that. I can't comment too much on that, but definitely check that out. And now we're going to move into just another kind of, I'm going to call it pay-per-use trails that we have access to not far from us, and we'll show you that right now. So this is Minden Off-Road Park, and it was formerly known as Ray's Place. This place is located on Highway 35 in Minden. It is a family-owned private property, private use facility, pay-per-play. So you're looking at, I believe it's $40 for a day pass, and it is actually an awesome facility. They have multiple different trails that all intersect each other, ranging from, you know, as you can see here, difficult to tough. There is no easy trail here. Really neat facility though. They also have plenty of accommodations, so you can actually stay there. They have a full motel. They have cabins, cottages you can rent. We haven't done that yet. We're planning on doing a trip there in March, and we're going to rent a cottage. But yeah, the trails were all built by professionals, and they changed them. From what I understand, they changed them kind of to make them different and a little bit more difficult. And again, they offer winter wheeling, right? Which, again, a lot of trails up here close December 1st to May 1st. So that's really cool. You definitely want to be prepared for trails like these because they're not there to recover you. So you want to make sure you can either recover yourself or you come with buddies. But yeah, so if you look here at the map of the facility itself, you can see they've got all the different cottages, they've got the motel and everything here. Lots of different campsites. They do also, I believe it's only seasonal, I could be wrong there, but they do have food as well. They have a lovely couple that has their own kind of restaurant and make breakfast sandwiches and stuff. But yeah, so you can come here for the weekend. Like I said, you can stay, you can go out multiple days if you want, hit the trails, try different ones. It's a really awesome facility, I gotta say. So I would definitely check them out. Well guys, that is going to be it. I just wanted to show you guys that yes, there are trails in Southern Ontario that are not far from you. So if you have the correct tools and resources to find them, like using OF4WD's website and becoming a member, using their trail index, you can definitely find trails in your area. I guarantee it. So thanks so much for watching, guys. If you found this helpful, please down below like and subscribe. It does help us out, and we're hoping to get to 5,000 subscribers. Thanks so much, guys. Have a good one.